Today, advanced operations on data frames, pivot and pivot table. Methods creates a new data frame after reshaping data based on column values. This will take 3 argument data index column values. Minimum 2 argument you should pass. Pivot is grouping for any data type. Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about advanced operations on data frame, that is pivot table, sorting, CSV files, how to import CSV file. First, I am going to explain you pivot. What is pivot? This is your dictionary. You have created a dictionary, name, subject, marks, grade, and these are their values. Now you have created a data frame. You have printed the data frame. Now for pivot, this is a user-defined variable name. Now df.pivot is equal to index is equal to name. Name will be treated as index. Then column subject. Columns will be treated as subject. That means column will be IP, accounts, BST, economics. And third parameter is values, which I have skipped for now. That means now it will take marks and grade both. If I will mention their values, then I can mention only marks or only grade. This will be your output. You can see marks, grade values here. For those who haven't mentioned your marks, there is NaN. That is not a number. Suppose I want this to be blank. I will write here dot fill NA bracket inverted comma bracket close. Now you will see NaN will be replaced by blanks. So, suppose I just want to display a single value. I will write here comma values is equal to, you can give marks or grade, it's your choice. Suppose I give marks, right? You can run it. So you can see just marks. Now suppose I want grades, so I will write here grades. What happened? It is grade, not grades. Spelling mistake. So this I have created your pivot. Now suppose I want to display a single value. That means I just want to see marks of IP. I just want to see marks of IP. I will write dot marks dot name of the subject for which you want to display the marks. Suppose I want to display for IP. So you can see just IP. So suppose if you want to display grade of IP or of any other subject, you can write it here grade. So you can see here. So this is about pivot. Now next is my pivot table. So in pivot table, I have created this my data frame, name, amount. You can see here I have repeated Seema 3 times, Geeta 2 times, Rita 1 time. This is in this we use aggregate function. So a kind of group is made. That means it will make a group for Seema, for Geeta, for Rita, and on those values on that group, or you can say subgroup, you are going to work. These are your amounts. This is you have displayed your you have created your data frame. Now you have displayed your data frame. Now you have created pivot table, that is pd.pivot table. Now this is your df data frame. You will treat name as index value. Index is equal to name. You will treat. Since there is a single column of amount, so aggregate function will work on this field only. Aggregate function maximum. It will find maximum for Seema. minimum. It will find minimum for sigma, then mean value for sigma, median, and then last function I think I have used count. So last function you have used count. So see this. This is your aggregate function. You can see maximum amount, minimum amount, median, mean, count. For Gita maximum amount is 600, 400, maximum is 600, minimum is 400. Now it has counted mean amount for you, then median, and then count. That is, it has 2 records, Rita has 1 record, Sigma has 3 records. So this is about pivot table. If you want to use any single function, you will write here just that single function. If you want to write 2 functions, then you will write 2 functions. Suppose I write here single function, that is mean. That is maximum function. Or you can use minimum also. That is your choice. You can see. So it's up to you. You want to use single function, multiple function. That is totally your choice. Now, suppose I remove this square brackets. For single function, you can remove this bracket if you are using single function. But if you are using multiple function, then you have to write it. And one more thing you will see. If this max is here, it has displayed maximum function. I remove this square bracket. You can see maximum function is not mentioned. So this is about pivot table. Now I will explain you how to import CSV files. So for importing CSV files, this is df user defined name pd.read_csv. Here you have to mention the path of your file on your system. This is an existing file on my system, that is stu.csv. It is in YouTube folder. It is present in E drive. Skip rows is equal to 1. Names, you will write all the name of fields which you have created: roll number, name, English, accounts, economics, BST, IP, physical education, like this. So I mention all the field names. I will run this. You can see this is file which I already exist in my system. These are roll numbers. I have repeated roll number twice. Name, English. This is totally your choice. Whatever you want to enter. Let me show you this file. This is your in E drive, YouTube folder, and then you have to see this file. This is my file which I have imported to my program. I have imported CSV file. So this is my CSV file. You have to create this in Excel. When you create this file in Excel, you have to save it with the extension CSV. You have to check that save as type will be CSV, delimited. You will check here and you will find CSV file, separated values. So this way you can make your CSV files. So this is how you can also import this file. On this file you can use all the functions like pivot table, roll number. I have taken index as roll number, aggregate function as sum. So it will calculate sum. So let me show you. For this only I have repeated roll numbers, because for this roll number 1 2 times it will calculate the sum of those 2 values If you will use only single value, then it will print it as it is. See, accounts roll number 1 80. Now, what is the marks of roll number 1 in accounts? Roll number 1 accounts 40. 40 plus 40, 80. So, because it has repeated twice, you can see one roll number 40, again 140. So, you can use aggregate function on this CSV files. Now, I will explain you sorting. Sorting on your data frame. Sorting are on two. That is, sorting can be done on values as well as index. On values and index. So this is my data frame. Suppose I want to sort on this. I will write df is equal to df dot sort underscore values. This is user defined name. You can give any name of your choice. By is equal to, I will write field name. Suppose I want to sort on name. I will write name. By default it is ascending. By default sorting is in ascending order. I will print. After sorting it will come as it is. Now print df data frame. Now save it and run it. By default it will be in ascending order. You can see name in ascending order. Suppose you want to want to sort in descending order, then you will write here comma ascending is equal to 0. You can see now name are in the descending order. You can use different fields. Suppose I want to use field marks. You can see marks are in descending order. You can see 90, 60, 60, 60, A, C, B, A. Suppose I want to sort on two fields. You see this out again. You see mark 60, 60, but grade are D. If I want to sort this field on after this, first I will sort this field and this, then on grade. Since 60, 60 are similar, so it will give A and D. If I say grade in ascending order, then it will give A and D. Suppose I say I want to sort it in two fields, comma, I want to sort in grade also. Suppose I want to sort second field, that is grade. I have to write it within square brackets. Now, marks as in descending order. So, I will write false. For descending, you can write false also. Comma, I want grade to be ascending order. No. I will save it and run it. I have forgot to close this. So you can see 60, 60, A and B. Suppose I want in descending order, I can write for grade descending order. That means false. So you can see. Now I will show you sorting on index. The values will be replaced by index. By default, it is in ascending order. You can see. Now if I want to sort in descending order, I will write here ascending is equal to 0 or ascending is equal to false. So you can say 3, 2, 1, 0. Index are now in descending order. So this is all about your pivot table, aggregate functions and sorting. So thanks.